Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how SafeDoc hides participants' info in Google Meet of Google Workspace. In Google Meet, every participant's identity, the real full name, is visible to the entire room. Some parents don't want their kids' information to be shared with classmates for privacy concerns. Teachers also want to protect some students from being digitally abused by others. Students' names appear majorly in two places on the tile and in the People tab. These two places are the most critical way to identify a student, by matching the camera or the profile photo with the full name. SafeDoc removes the tooltip from appearing next to their faces. The names in tiles are removed and the People tab is clear. When you hover the cursor to a tile and then on the Pin button, the tooltip does not display. In this way, students' identities are anonymized to some extent for better privacy. Note this prevents students from seeing each other's identities. The teacher can still see the full list of students without a problem on their end. Set the policy block Meet Student Info to True. This policy is by default off if it's unset. If you have yet to install SafeDoc, apply for a 30 days trial. The SafeDoc subscription form link is also given in the video description. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your K-12 school system very well.